Assalamualaikum students. Today we will start chapter number 10. First one is transverse wave. A wave in which particles of the medium move perpendicularly to the direction of the wave is called transverse wave. In which particles of the medium move perpendicularly. These are called transverse wave. Longitudinal wave. A wave in which particles of the medium move back and forth parallel to the direction of the wave is called longitudinal wave. Sound wave is an example of the longitudinal wave. Particles of the medium which are compressed are called compressions. You can see here that some parts of the wave are compressed. These are compressions, and some particles are spread out. These are rarefactions. Wavelength. A wavelength is the shortest distance between two adjacent crusts or trough of a transverse wave. Amplitude of a wave is the maximum distance of the medium from the rest position. Frequency. The number of the variations produced by a vibrating body in 1 second is called its frequency. If a vibrating body produces number of variations and time limit is 1 second, then it is called its frequency. Speed. The distance a wave covered in unit time is called its speed. It's measured in meters per second. Sound travels at different speeds in different mediums. As we know that sound travels more fastly in solids, then less in liquids, and less after that gas. Relation of speed, wavelength and frequency. All of these are related by a mathematical formula. Speed is equal to wavelength into frequency. Audible frequency range. The range of the frequencies which a person can hear is known as audible frequency range. Every animal has an audible frequency range. As we know that dogs, the frequency range of dog is more than human beings. Healthy human ears frequency range is 20 Hz to 2000 Hz. Every animal has different frequency ranges. Even dog, cat, elephant, all of these have different frequency ranges for sound, and they can hear the sounds of different frequencies. Pitch and loudness. Pitch is the highness and lowness of a sound. Highness and lowness of the sound. Either a sound is high or either it is low, then it is called pitch of a sound. Pitch of sound depends on the frequency of the sound wave. If frequency of the sound wave depends on the frequency of the sound waves, if the frequency of the sound wave is high, the frequency of the sound wave is high, then pitch is higher. And if the frequency of the sound wave is low, then pitch is low. Loudness is related to the amplitude of a sound. Larger the amplitude, the louder the sound. If the resting position of the particles of the sound waves is more and their distance from the resting position is more, then it is called amplitude. And larger the amplitude, then the sound, larger the sound. Distinguishing between soft and loud sound by loudness. Applications of the different sounds. Sounds are very important in our lives. First one is doorbell. We know that where we use the doorbells. We used these doorbells at our home, at the door. Telephone ringing is also the example of the sound waves. Is also the use of the sound wave. Security system alarm. Security system, all of us are well known about security system alarms, and these are applications of the sound waves. Stereo player. Stereo player is also an example of the sound wave.